Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Mongo kind of like on tour right now. Oh yeah, that real bad. Oh, that belt pretty rubbery too. Okay, Mongo replacing the belt tensioner and the belt. Good thing Mongo stopped at O'Reilly's. Just picked it up from the shop. If you didn't know the story, check out the short. That way junk. Mongo pulled up to a stoplight and heard all sorts of noise coming from under the engine. And that guy was just flopping in the wind. Well, Mongo figure got 1,500 miles to go and do not need a belt breaking or a tensioner. So just bought both brand new. Get them done now. Nothing like doing a repair in the parking lot of O'Reilly's in Florida. Well, there's a part number for the new belt. They're not crazy difficult to do, but you gotta get the belt under on the crank first, and then wrap it around the water pump, then bring it around the power steering pump, and around your AC, around that guy. Luckily, there's a nice little diagram right there. That one. So it comes up. Down to there, up around the alternator, and then you got to get it on the little idler right there. To get the tensioner off, it's a 14 millimeter. And it pops and slides out. Now it's possible this tensioner is actually okay, but maybe not based on that. Mongo don't like that, so good thing getting a new one. There's the O'Reilly part number 1. Now when you put the new one in, you gotta line up this hole with there, and then this one with the little hole. Got to be sure those line up. Oh, and of course Mongo dropped it. So don't drop it. Get her threaded in there. And give her the old German good and tight. That seemed good. Get it on. I'm going to take it off the alternator, put it on the little idler pulley down there, and then pull the tensioner up. Well, that was a big pain to do one-handed and without Mongo's normal setup, but that's what you get when you go on tour in Florida. It's always easier to slide it over one of the smooth pulleys instead of trying to get it over the ribbed pulleys. But, you know, above the alternator, down to that idler, up to the AC, over to the power steering, around and over to the water pump, then it loops around there. Exactly like that picture. Well, that's much better. Now Mongo can hit the road. Well, hopefully this video helped you if you got to replace the belt tensioner and belt on the side of the road on your Duramax. Early generation Duramax. It'll work, and of course Mongo picked up some handy hand wipes because Mongo got filthy. Always good to have some oil on the road, a little brake cleaner on the road. And it's a new truck that's just disgusting because, you know, the interior's not bad, they said. So we clean it up while we're on the road. Mongo bought a fire extinguisher just in case because, you know, this is Mongo's second attempt driving this north. So better safe than sorry. Mongo, thank you.